Hello everybody. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about how to remember the examples for bryophytes, pteridophytes and gymnosperms. We already discussed in the previous video the examples for algae comes under Phaeophyceae, Chlorophyceae and the Rhodophyceae within the single sentences. So we are going with the next categories also. So coming to the bryophytes, we can remember all the examples in a sentence, that is Mary's first place is preschool. So here M is nothing but Markantia and A for Anthoceros, R for Rixia, F for Funaria, P for Polytrichum and another P for Porella, S for Sphagnum. So Markantia, Anthoceros, Rixia, Funaria, Polytrichum, Porella, Sphagnum. So all these are the examples comes under the bryophytes. So the next one is the pteridophytes. Actually coming to this bryophytes, if you want to remember, you can remember in another form, that is like a farm PSP. So here farm PSP is nothing but F for Funaria, A for Anthoceros, R for Rixia, M for Markantia, Polytrichum, Sphagnum, Porella. So you can remember in this way as well. Coming to the pteridophytes. So remember like a sentence like sepals damp. So sepals, we all know that the individual form of the calyx, we call it as a sepals. So as the pteridophytes require the damp, shady, cool climatic conditions for the growth of their gametophyte or the prothallus, that's why I took the word as a damp. So in this pteridophyte, S is representing Salvinia, E for Equisetum, P for Silotum. So we are not going to pronounce the word like the Pisilotum. So P is silent over here. We pronounce it as a Silotum. And A for Ediantum, L for Lycopodium, S for Selaginella. So here you can write Salvinia here or Selaginella, your wish. Coming to damp. Damp, D for Dryopteris, A for Azolla, M for Marsilia and P for Pteris. So even here also the P is silent over here. We are not going to pronounce it. So the pteridophyte examples are Salvinia, Equisetum, Silotum, Ediantum, Lycopodium, Selaginella, Dryopteris, Azolla, Marsilia and Pteris. So coming to the next, gymnosperms. This gymnosperms can be remembered as, in a sentence, go get candle set, zucchini, put in the cupboard. So zucchini is nothing but it's a type of cucumber. So go, the G is representing neatum and another G is like a ginkgo biloba and C for cycas, S for, this is a large name, that is Sequiodendron giganteum. So this particular one is considered as the redwood of California, or we also considered as the giants of plant kingdom. So this particular plant will be growing around like 100 meters of height, 15 meters of diameter will be there. So that is giganteum, which is so giant. And coming to Z, so this is nothing but Zamia pygmy. So this plant is considered as the smallest plant of the gymnosperms. Coming to the P is for Pinus and C for Cedrus. So here I mentioned S and G at the one place. So this is the giganteum or the tallest plant and the tallest living plant, and this is the smallest gymnosperm. So that is how we can remember all the examples under these sentences?